Good morning, this Wednesday, the 22nd of October. I'm Max Lacerto, a market analyst with Bell Direct. In the US overnight, Wall Street closed trading mixed higher as investors responded to stronger than expected corporate earnings results out of key names like Coca-Cola and 3M. The Dow Jones closed up 0.47%, the S&P 500 closed flat, and the Nasdaq closed down 0.16%. Across Europe overnight, markets closed higher, led by strong gains for defense stocks in the region. The STOXX 600 rose 0.2%, Germany's DAX added 0.3%, the French CAC climbed 0.64%, and in the UK, the FTSE 100 ended the day up 0.25%. The Asia markets closed mostly higher as Japan's first female prime minister was announced, and investors continued to assess trade negotiations in the region. Japan's Nikkei rose 0.27%, South Korea's Kospi index added 0.24%, Hong Kong's Hang Seng gained 0.76%, and China's CSI index ended the day up 1.53%. The local market extended its green run this week into Tuesday's session, with the key index gaining 0.7% at the closing bell, driven by the materials sector after Australia and the US agreed to invest a combined $3 billion in critical minerals projects as part of Prime Minister Albanese's visit to the White House. Gold reset its record yesterday, topping $4,381 per ounce for the first time, which propelled local gold miners higher, while rare earth producers were brought into on the back of the US-Australia critical minerals deal. Hub24 surged over 10% yesterday after platform funds under administration rose 8% over the September quarter to $122 billion, while DroneShield also rose 8.7% as investors bought back into the technology company. On the commodities front this morning, oil is trading 0.7% higher at $57.42 per barrel. Gold is down 5.56%, back to $4,116 per ounce, as the US dollar has strengthened and profit-taking has kicked in, following the price of the precious commodity hitting a fresh record over the weekend. And iron ore is up 0.14% to $105.50 per tonne. Ahead of the midweek trading session, the SPY futures are anticipating the ASX will open the day down 0.5%. And finally, let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has maintained its buy rating on Hub24 and increased its 12-month target price from $125 to $135 per share, off the back of better than expected Q1 FY26 results and significant market momentum. And Trading Central have identified a bullish signal in Super Retail Group, indicating that the price may rise from the current close of $17 per share to the range of $17.80 to $18 per share over a period of 21 days. That's according to the standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all we have time for today. Have a wonderful Wednesday, and as always, happy investing.